Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use reference images in Midjourney. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. To begin the process, open your Discord as a platform where you can open Midjourney. Then in the chat box located at the bottom, click the plus icon to upload your selected reference image, then press enter to send it. After that, click the image, then press right click on your mouse and select the copy image link. Next, go back again to the chat box and type /imagine, then press enter and a prompt will appear, then just paste the link you copied a while ago. The next thing you will do is to add space and then input as many keywords that you like based on how you want to transform the image. When you're done, add a double hyphen, then V space. After that, press enter to your keyboard and wait for the result. That's it! Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.